Hi ma'am, good day. My name is Erin A. Gapate from NR11 Group 2, and today I am going to demonstrate the procedures in making an unoccupied bed. So the purpose of this procedure is to promote the client's comfort, provide a clean, neat environment for the client, and to provide a smooth, wrinkle-free bed foundation, thus minimizing sources of skin irritation. Now, starting with the assessment, check the chart for activity order for the patient, then assess the patient for any specific symptoms. Then, check the condition of linen on the bed, and check for patient's special need. Now, for the planning, wash your hands. So, earlier, I have already washed my hands. Now, obtain laundry bag or hamper. Then, gather linens to be used, like the bottom sheet, the top sheet, the rubber sheet or plastic and cloth draw sheet, and of course, the pillowcase. Then, after that, obtain other needed items or equipments. For the implementation, raise the bed to appropriate working height and be certain that the wheels are locked. This promotes good body mechanics and prevent excessive bending. Remove attached equipments. Then, put on gloves before handling linen soiled with body secretions to prevent the transfer of possible pathogenic microorganisms into the hands. Remove cases from pillows and be careful not to touch the uniform. Then, place the pillow into a chair. Now, loosen top and bottom linen from a mattress. Then, remove clean items to be reused, fold it, and place across the back of the chair. Remove the remaining linen by rolling inside the bottom sheet and hold away from the body and place it directly in the linen hamper, not on the floor. These actions are essential to prevent the transmission of microorganisms to the nurse and others. If you put on gloves earlier, remove them now and wash your hands before touching clean items. Turn the mattress if necessary. Do hand hygiene and apply clean gloves again. Place mattress pad on mattress if it is available. Now, place bottom sheet on bed. The edge of the bottom sheet should be parallel to the bottom edge. Then, open the linen into near side. The hem side should be toward the nurse. Then, front fold the remaining folded bottom sheet at the center. Then tack the bottom sheet under the top edge. Miter the top corners of bottom sheet, or if it is a fitted sheet, tack diagonally. Tuck the remainder of the bottom sheet under the bed. Now, place a plastic draw sheet on bed using the center fold as a guide. Then tack it snugly at the near side under the mattress. Then, place a cloth draw sheet over the plastic draw sheet and tack at the near edge. Place and unfold top sheet on the bed. The edge of the top sheet should be parallel to the top edge. Open the linen into near side. The hem side should be toward the nurse again. Then, front fold the remaining folded top sheet at the center and tuck the top sheet under the bottom edge. Again, miter the bottom corners of the top sheet. Now, place blanket on the bed, using center fold as the guide. The edge of the blanket should be parallel to the top edge. Open the linen again into the near side, and the hem side should be toward the nurse. Then, front fold the remaining folded blanket at the center, tack the blanket under the bottom edge, and then miter the bottom corners. Now, complete the other side of the bed, then spread and smoothen the bottom sheet, under pad, or the plastic draw sheet, cloth draw sheet, top sheets, and the blanket separately. Then, miter each of the bottom corners. To apply the pillowcase, grasp the closed edge of the case, attach the pillow on the closed edge, and pull the pillowcase. Remember to keep the pillow and the case away from your uniform. Now, replace the call light and leave the bed in appropriate position. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Now, for the evaluation, evaluate using the following criteria, such as first, the linens are smooth and has a wrinkle-free surface, the corners are tight enough, the bed is in the lowest position, and the call light is attached in the appropriate place. Then after that, document the linen change according to the hospital policy. So that is all for the unoccupied bed making.